If you're a real estate agent looking to use a home inspector that uses Spectora, I have a treat for you. My name is Kevin Wagstaff, one of the owners and founders of Spectora, former real estate agent myself. I'm going to walk you through a couple aspects of a home inspector's report that uses Spectora that benefits you and saves you time. The first thing you'll notice about a home inspector that uses Spectora is that these reports are very visual. They're meant to give you the information you and your buyer need to make a decision. So the first part of that is the table of contents here on the left. So if you're just curious what is in the plumbing section, you click on plumbing and it jumps you down to that section, and you can see the informational comments first. And then if you scroll down past that, you get to the actual defects that are in the plumbing section. You can jump to any section at any time, easy to navigate. Your home inspector may also summarize using these summary bubbles at the top here to let you know how many items you need to worry about for maintenance, recommendations, and defects. These words can vary based on who your inspector is, but this is a feature that some of them use. A third big reason to use a home inspector that uses Spectora is the summary buttons at the top that make it so easy to just click on, and it shows you the defects and the safety hazards that you need to possibly negotiate for. You can further filter the report by clicking on this third button that they'll have labeled defects, recommendations, or observations. This only shows you the highest severity category that your home inspector is calling out. So then you can put this now in your inspection objection or repair addendum. A couple other great features that'll help you out is within each defect, the inspectors can use video. So I'm clicking on a video here of an active leak that's being called out. And if you click into any of these images, they expand for you with arrows and annotations to point exactly where the defect is. Furthermore, if you click into the text of each defect, it also gives you a location. So basement ceiling here is called out by the inspector to help you really know where it's at. In addition, they're going to recommend which type of contractor you or your buyer should call for more information. And to get back to the full report, you just click full report here, and now it shows you all the information in the home inspection report. For those of you that want or need a PDF still, you can always access that right here by clicking on this dropdown that takes you to the PDF summary of the report. And this is just going to be the defects that they've called out. And you can also click on full report here if your state requires it or if you want to print out the report. More and more, we're seeing agents just use the web-based report to be friendly to the environment, but also to utilize all these features. And the final and biggest reason you should use an inspector that uses Spectora is the repair request builder. So all these defects that he called out, you as an agent now need to put this in your repair addendum or inspection objection. So if you click at the top right here under report tools and click on repair request builder, this launches an interface that helps you only choose the items you want to put in the repair addendum to send to the selling agent to negotiate for repairs or credits. So as you can see here, I'm just going to click on a couple of these items. And I'm going to put in the amount we want for a credit here. So I'm going to put $500 for the water intrusion. For the minor stucco cracking, we'll ask for $300. And for the rotten wood trim, we'll add another $200. As you can see here at the top right, it adds this up for you, shows you the running total credit that you're going to be requesting. You can name the document to make it specific to your state. You can sort this document. You can sort this document by severity or the types of recommendations. And then you can also put custom text in here to word things however you'd like or to adhere to state standards. And finally, here at the top right, it'll add up how much you're asking for in credit. Alternatively, if you don't want to ask for credit, you can click on something and add a comment here and request that a repair be made on this. So you just click here, it adds in repair requested. And once you've selected everything you want to ask for in this document, you can preview it by clicking here, and it'll show you what the listing agent's actually going to see when you send them this link. And once you're ready to send, you click create, and it gives you a link that you can copy and paste and put in an email, or you can email it directly to the other agent here, as well as sending it in a text message. So if you're considering using an inspector that uses Spectora, hopefully that is a ton of features that helps you out, saves you time, and just creates less headaches overall. In addition, we have an automation suite that's going to send you reminder text, emails, follow-ups to you and your client, everything you need on the home inspection front. Thanks for watching this, and let your home inspector know you appreciate his reports and we appreciate you. Thanks.